felt it.
Hello there. Right. Hello and welcome to Californian Classics. I'm Pete.
And I'm Russ. What you've just seen is a small teaser of what we're all about and what we do, and you'll be learning more as we go.
To give you an idea, Californian Classics, we're UK and possibly Europe's largest Karmann Ghia restoration, parts, service and repair centre.
We've been recently placing more emphasis on what we do on social media and bringing out this YouTube channel.
We've put a poll up recently, which is available to everyone really, to get an idea what you guys out there want to see and to give us a bit of a focus as to the sort of content to put up.
And we're looking forward to producing as much entertaining content as possible.
So make sure you subscribe and follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn if you use that. Keep in touch. Is it recording, is it?
Yeah, that'll be for the past 10 seconds.
I can't, I'm looking like that. So.
Well, once we'll memorise it and...
Right. Hello and welcome to Californian Classics YouTube channel. I'm Pete.
And I'm Russ. So I wasn't expecting that.